So we'll be going into our test project. We'll be creating a file called findIndex.js. Okay, we'll have to include lodash. Let underscore equals to require lodash. After that, we'll take an input array. Let input array. So we'll just try to get an array of id and name. Okay, we'll try to add few elements in this. id equals to 2, name equals to b, name equals to c, and id equals to d. Okay, so this is our input array. Now let us create a findIndex function first. So function findIndex at array. So the input to this will be either an index, sorry, either an id or a name. So I'll just write over here input, and then we'll be writing a function over here. So for that we need to let a index variable, let return, we'll have to return it, so I'm just writing it as return index equals to underscore dot find index. So we'll just copy the syntax over here. So this is how find index is written. We provide an array to it, so find index. So our array over here will be this input array. After that we need an iterator, as you can see over here, and then comes the function. So after this what we'll do is we'll just return the index at which we have the respective input, which will be from input. Okay, so the index over here we will get into return index, and then I'll just return this particular index. So return index, that's it. So we are good to call the function, I guess. So let us just try it out. So what we can do over here is we can just call the findIndex function and just pass it at input. Input, okay, I'll just try it where, let us just make it dynamic. Input id, let us first try on id. Input id equals to, I'll just take 3 over here, and then we will pass this id from here, and then it will be retrieved into a var. Let me just take a variable and index of id, input id equals to. So I guess this will return the function's id over here. So we are passing the input as 3 over here from findIndex to this particular function, and from this particular return index we'll get the index of this. Okay, and now I'll just console that, console.log. Let us just write a remark over there. So index at of id, and then this particular id. So let us just open the terminal. So as you can see, we can either open it from here, or we can just do it by shortcut. So I'm just using the shortcut over here. So let me check the directory cd test and into it ls. So we'll just try to run node findIndex.js. So here we go. The result is index of id equals to 3. So let me just pass some other input. So we'll try for 3, sorry, for 4. Oh sorry, let me just run it again. So the index of 4 is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll just try to retrieve the index of 1. Okay, so 1 is at 0th element of this array. That's it. Thank you.